So today we're going here next to my house to a place called Fabrique de Lumiere to watch a dinosaur presentation. It's a kind of something like 3D interactive movie, and I am very interested because I love dinosaurs, and I saw the commercial, I think it was on Instagram, and apparently I liked what I saw, so I'm going to check it out today, and I'm bringing you with me, and let's see if this is worth it. It's a beautiful day today. It's a little rainy, but right now it's dry, so yeah, let's see how it goes. It's so nice to have a place like this just, next to my house. It's like 5 minutes walk, and they usually have a lot of different presentations. I also love this area because in this park, which is one of my favorites, just to go for a walk, they also have like a movie theater, they have bars, they have cafes. I think they even have like a club. I think I was there once. I don't go out very often these days, but I remember going to a club as well, so I think there is still a club. They also have, I think, a TV studio where they do some of those TV programs. So it's actually a very nice place to be, and I am so fortunate to live just around the corner. So we're getting here, and there it is, Fabrique de Lumiere, and I'm a little bit early because it says that it's going to start at 11. You see, they have different presentations. This is a Van Gogh from Lumiere from Van Gogh, super nice. Here we have the Moonwalkers, and this is the one I'm gonna see.
Welcome to Fabrique de Lumiere. The digital exhibition will start in a moment. We invite you to switch your mobile phone to silent mode and turn off the flash while taking pictures.
So we're back in the house, and I'm going to give you a very short review of what I saw. So, as in the beginning of the video, I explained that I went to the Fabrique de Lumiere, which is here next to my house, fortunately, to watch an exposition / a movie / documentary about dinosaurs, because I love dinosaurs. If you're not familiar with Fabrique de Lumiere, well, the first Atelier de Lumiere was introduced in Paris in 2018, where they were exposing a lot of arts. And in 2022, Amsterdam got their own Fabrique de Lumiere, and like I said, fortunately it's right here next to me, so it's like 5 minutes walk from my house. And I went there in 2022 to watch an exposition which was super nice, and I was actually very impressed because it was the very first time that I entered Fabrique de Lumiere and saw the size of the exposition. So when they actually also last year they announced, I think it was Amsterdam's 750th anniversary, so they also had a special kind of 3D exposition, and I went to watch it. It was interesting but a little underwhelming because I was expecting something else, but this time they came up with a presentation from Dinosaurs. So it is actually based on the Prehistoric documentary, I think by Apple TV. And so they brought this to Fabrique de Lumiere, and I just wanted to go because I love dinosaurs. So I got my tickets. I think the original ticket was 18 euros, but I got the early bird ticket and I paid 16 euros, which is not that cheap because it's actually more expensive than going to the movies to watch a movie. But again, it's something special, and really I wanted to try it. So what did I see and how did I like it? Well, to be honest, even though I love dinosaurs, I was a little bit underwhelmed, but what I expected. Maybe I was expecting too much because I thought it was going to be something a little more interactive, 3D-like. But then, considering the way Fabrique de Lumiere works, it's this huge place where they actually have this very tall tools where they will project a movie. And I think it works very well when you're talking about painters like the one that I saw. So you will see the paintings and the history behind it, on those big walls, and you kind of feel engulfed in that beautiful presentation of art. But when it comes to dinosaurs, I mean, it was interesting because all those huge, everywhere you looked, it's like 360 degrees, you would have the projection of this beautiful and huge animals. And there was the narration in the background telling the story. The presentation was actually divided in 6 parts. So it is the tree of life, raising the young, monsters in the mind, unearthing the past, patterns in evolution, and the age of giants. So every part of the presentation is full of a history about dinosaurs, and you just choose a place to sit, or you just walk around and you listen to the narration and watch the huge videos on the walls, and you are kind of 360 degrees engulfed by that. At certain points, you will feel like in the middle of everything, but other parts would, you would just sit in the corner and just have the feeling that you're just watching a huge cinematic presentation of the movie, of the documentary. The whole presentation lasted about an hour. There weren't many people. There were lots of also children, because it is a free age-free presentation. So I think the schools can also come to watch the show and learn a little bit about dinosaurs. So there were lots of children, and it was funny too, because I thought that maybe children, they would actually be so impressed by what they were seeing that it would just be like frozen watching the movies, but they were actually running around and playing. I think they were just more interested in the lights, the changing of lights, than actually what was going on those walls. But all in all, I think it was an interesting presentation, but I don't know if it was, how can I say, really worth the price. I really don't know how difficult, how expensive it is for them to actually prepare something like that. But I thought that $18 was a little bit in the high price for the kind of presentation, because it was not overwhelming. It was actually underwhelming. Maybe I was expecting a little bit too much, but all in all, I mean, I'm glad that I went, because like I said, I love dinosaurs, so I was curious to see what they were going to show. And it's funny because when you see the trailer, I think I saw the trailer on Instagram. When you see the trailer, it just gives you a feeling that it's going to be something very interactive, that you're going to be very close to those huge animals. But actually, you will be close to the animals, but in a film sort of way, like you're standing next to a screen and then you can see the size. Apparently, they said that the sizes of the animals were actual sizes compared to our heights. So I'm not sure about that because I never saw a dinosaur, in person. But according to the information, if you would stand next to the screen, you would actually have an idea of how big those animals were, because they were represented in their natural size. Well, if that is true, they were really huge and sometimes scary. But it is a beautiful presentation, but I'm not sure if it's the kind of presentation that, will leave you like breathless, because that's what I was expecting. I was expecting to be wowed by that presentation. But anyway, if you still love dinosaurs and you're the kind of person who will see anything related to dinosaurs, maybe this is something that you will like, because again, tastes are very different. I mean, this is just my personal opinion. It could be that some other people will go there and they will come like, wow, whoa, my God, what a wonderful presentation. So that is really subjective to personal opinion. So if you are someone who loves dinosaurs and wants to see anything related to what it is, then this might be something for you. Otherwise, I think it's actually even better sometimes if you actually watch the documentary on TV, because it's basically, it's basically what it is. It's a big documentary, projected in big and high walls and surrounding you, and you are in the middle of it, and then you can just sit there and watch, or you can walk around, and I don't know, it maybe gives you the feeling that you are in there in the action, but honestly, you're not. You're just like, sitting there and watching a documentary. And of course, as every presentation, at the end of it, when you leave after the presentation, which I think took about an hour, after you leave, you will go through a souvenir shop where you can actually buy a couple of things. So this was the very short review of prehistoric dinosaurs, Fabrique de Lumiere. If you're still interested, just go grab your ticket and, enjoy yourself. It was nice, but I'm glad I did it. But it's not something that I would say, go, you have to do it. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye.